Welcome back to JJ Central DIY channel. Today we are dealing with the Honda's HR-V. Awesome car. This is the third generation, which runs from 2021 all the way to soon 2026. But this is a 2024. They're all the same. First step, open the hood right here. All right, second step, unlatch it. It's underneath. Swing to the right. And third step, secure the hood. And fourth step, we're going to change the engine air filter. This is the engine air box. You can see air intake going into the air box, get filtered. Air goes into the engine, throttle body opens up, and then these four firing happens in the cylinders here. So your air is really important to keep clean. And also the airflow is important. So make sure you change this every 6 months, or just check at least every 6 months to see if it's dirty. This is how you do it. Open, open. So this way and this way. And that's it pretty much. And now you have the lid that pops up. Now what you do is lift up and pull towards you. That way it comes off of the hinge a little bit. There you go. And as you can see, the bottom is just hinged onto these little tabs on the, see these tabs, they're hinged in there. So that's it. So that's your air filter. May look all nice and clean here, but when you actually open it, you'll see the condition. This one is a brand new car. It's only about 4 months old, but you can start that, you can see that it's starting to get dirty. Not too bad. So we can put it back together, but at the same time, this is where you would put the new filter in. And one quick tip, when you put the new filter in, just write down here the date of when you replaced the filter, so it'll be helpful next time. So when you put the new filter in, make sure the rubber seals are nice and flat. Nothing is like prying up anywhere. Once it's nice and flat, let's mate that little tab down into the back and seat it so there's no movement. Once it's nice and snug, click, click, two, done. So that is how you would change an engine air filter on a 2021 to 2026 Honda CR-V. I'm sorry. That is how you would change engine air filter on a 2021 to 2026 Honda HR-V. Pretty similar for a lot of these little Hondas, Civic and stuff. Now, if you want to get a quick link at what recommended filters that you can use for this, then just check the description of this video and you'll see the links right there. Click that, Amazon links, it'll be at your house within a day or two, and you would save $50 to $100 by doing it yourself. Let's do it yourself. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Check out my other video for the cabin air filter change as well. It'll save you another $100. All right, see you then.